Let's look at the graphs of systems of linear equations. To start, let's get to know what y-intercept form is. Y-intercept form is when y is isolated, and m is the value for slope, and b is the value for y-intercept. So when you have your equation in this form, it is y-intercept form. M is the value for slope, also known as the rate of change of this equation. And b is where the line crosses the y-axis. Typically in a system of linear equations, we'll be dealing with two equations. The y-intercept form is a very useful form to look at the graphs of solutions to the linear systems. To have one solution, we only require to have different slopes. To have no solutions, we require the same slopes, but different y-intercepts. Finally, infinitely many solutions happens when we have the same slope, same y-intercept. In other words, they are the exact same lines. And don't forget to turn to y-intercept form. This is very important in figuring out the graphs. Let's look at some examples. Example 1, we have 2x plus 1 and negative x plus 4. The 2x and a negative x slopes, we automatically know this will be a graph of only one solution. Different slopes, lines intersect at one point. Example 2, don't forget to put into y-intercept form. Here, now we have the same slope, same y-intercept. We know that will be the exact same line. Here, the red overlapped the green line. We have the same exact line. And if you can see, you can have some test points. Whatever test points you choose, they'll be the same ones on both lines. Same slope, same y-intercept, same exact line. Example 3. We have the same slope, but we have different y-intercepts. What's that on a graph? It means the y-intercept starts at different points, but the same slope guarantees that they'll never cross. On a graph, that means parallel lines, which means there's no solution, no intersection point. Same slope, different y-intercepts, parallel lines. Here's a summary. Different slopes, one solution. They are guaranteed to cross and have one intersection point. That intersection point will be the one solution. Same slope, same y-intercept will lead to infinitely many solutions. In other words, on a graph, they have the exact same line and have all the same points. Same slope, different y-intercepts means it's going to be parallel lines on a graph, which will lead to no solutions to the linear system.